So this is my first unboxing video and I am starting with a big one. The ELLE Beauty Calendar. It is the first time we've done one of these. I obviously know what's in it because I curated it, but I don't know what order they're in. And I'm going to talk you through with the help of some ELLE friends. Starting with door number 1. NARS Orgasm Blush, a classic to start with, in amazing mini size. That is the perfect shade and the perfect size. 2. This is Nails Ink Nail Polish in Antisocial Climber, and this is one of my favourite shades, which is why I chose it for the calendar.
Now that is a nail polish. It's such a pretty colour.
I'm just going to put it on one thumb, otherwise we'll be here all night. Perfect neutral with a little hint of lilac, really good for day, but I love it for an understated accent. Okay, 3 is another cult classic, Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I'm not going to put this on because it needs water to activate.
Daily Microfoliant? What does it do?
It's like a gentle exfoliant that dissolves the top layer of your skin.
Oh my gosh.
Like the dead skin cells.
Sounds great. Real.
Door number 4.
How exciting, what do I do? Oh gosh. Pick a door, any door. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Can I put some on my skin?
Okay, number 4 is a good one. Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Can also be used for your legs, arms, you get the gist. But it is a super rich cream. It smells amazing and you're just going to want to put it all over your body. So I will. Okay, where am I? Number 5. Aha! Benefit Gimme Brow.
So we just open it and we look happy and surprised. Whoa! Wait, I'm not very good at doing this. Oh, it's lovely.
Number 6. This is like Christmas. It literally is like Christmas. A Ven Rich Hydrating Cream.
Perfect. Thanks, mate.
I love this stuff. Hi, babes. Where's Dad? He doesn't come with a calendar. You know when you just can't find a number? Where's number 7? It's a big one. This I have in my bathroom at all times, so it had to go in the calendar. It's the Josh Wood Colour Everything Mask, and it's the most multitasking, amazing conditioning product. It's like a mask, it boosts shine, it protects colour from fading, it just does everything, and it smells amazing. Also, this is full size.
Number 8. Oh. Better Than Sex. Thank you very much.
Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It's one of the ones that everyone talks about, and this is a full-size wand in a more portable packaging, which makes it even better than sex.
I love to have this.
That noise is so satisfying. Number 9. Oh yeah. Another one of my cult favourites, this black mask. You've probably seen it on Instagram, but it has been formulated to kind of take down dark circles, fine lines, any kind of under eye concerns. Feels like jelly. Ten.
Suku. Oh, this is like an essence. Delish.
Suku Moisture Hydro Lotion makes it refreshed and clear and glowy and amazing. 11. Oh yes, Beauty Pie Eyeshadow Contour Brush. Contouring for winging out shadow, for buffing in liner. Just a really good all-rounder that you need in your makeup bag. 12. Where is 12? Where is 12? Where is 12? Oh, this one's going to be interesting. Now watch me attempt to put this on without a mirror. Should be easy because this is a great liner. It'll do. 13. This is one of my favourites. They're all my favourites. This is a favourite.
Ooh, hourglass. Pretty.
Hourglass Ambient Light Illuminating Powder. This is like an all over skin finishing powder. I like to put it kind of to highlight up here to give a bit of a soft diffused glow to my face. This is an amazing little mini version which is perfect for your makeup bag.
$14. Here. Okay, you can open it. Oh, wait, no, I want to do it.
Percy and Reed, A Walk in the Rain, Shine and Fragrance Mist. Smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. Looks amazing.
Why is it looking at me? That smells amazing.
It does smell amazing.
15.
Is it Bobby Brown? I hope it's Bobby Brown. Bobby Brown. Oh my god, this is my favourite colour.
A Bobbi Brown mini lipstick, because mini lipsticks are the best lipsticks, in Sandalwood Pink, which is an amazing neutral shade that suits everyone. Oh, I love this advent calendar. 16 is another big one. Sarah Chapman Iconic Skinny Sis 3D Moisture Infusion Mask. Do I have to put this on? Oh, it's cold. 17. I've got too much Sarah Chapman on my fingers. I can't get it out. Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brightening and Firming Vitamin C Serum for your moisturiser, not following your face mask. That is a great one for bedtime. 18.
Smashbox Photo Finish, Smooth and Blur. I love this.
The Original Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, Smooth and Blur. Brilliant one for your kit. 19, where are you? Maybe this is the most cult of all the cult products in here, but it's Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid. You would have heard a lot of people talking about this amazing product. It just gently turns over your skin cells, really good for overnight, for waking up with a really refreshed, clean glow. 20. We've just put all the best skincare in here. I'm even still surprising myself. This is the Susan Kaufman Moisturising Mask. It's a really beautiful, rich, intense, could be an overnight treatment, it could just be for really thirsty skin, but it's natural and it helps to boost and plump your skin. 21, we're getting near Christmas now. Calvin Klein Woman. How cute is that? So this is a chance to try this new fragrance. By the way, it smells delicious, but it's also the perfect size for travelling. Win-win. 22. Diego Della Palma is a really good beauty editor secret. They do the most amazing pigmented eyeshadows. So we've given you one. I'm going to use my Beauty Pie brush that I got in door number 11. Why not do a smoky eye on top of all the other makeup that I've got? $23. The penultimate. Perfect Size Saint-Tropez Gradual Tinted Tan. It's an everyday instant healthy glow.
Yeah, I'm so pasty at this time of year. That'd be absolutely perfect. Great for New Year's.
Subtle, which in tan terms means perfect. Okay, it's the big one, number 24. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, so this is the last thing that's going to make you happy in our ELLE Advent. And it is going to make you happy. Ta-da! Bella Freud, the logo print OG, an iconic candle in a perfect miniature size.
It smells very good. It's perfect for the
Christmas season.
You can keep that since it's your birthday.
Thank you. Why didn't I choose the candle?
Who's going to be able to beat this for Christmas?